What's good, everyone? Mr. Geek here. Today I'm gonna be doing like a little quick short video for you guys. This video is gonna be about how to make this headband from Naruto. It's in the style of the village hidden in the leaf or the hidden leaf village, but you can do for whichever village you want. Village in the sun, in the mist, in the sound, in the rain. Well, leave a like if you actually want more videos like this, and yeah, this video is gonna take you through the making process, the materials you're gonna need, and the different ways different characters can wear the headbands or rock the headbands. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. So here are the different materials you guys are gonna need for this build. So you're gonna need a pair of scissors, some tin foil, a permanent marker. This one's blue because I couldn't find black. This one, a stapler, and spare unwanted leggings, because they're going to need for the headband to stretch, but not too much. So now that we've gone over the materials, let's get into the building process. So I've decided to make Hidan's scythe from the Akatsuki. If you don't know who Hidan is, this is Hidan. He's a member of the Akatsuki. The most well-known part of the Akatsuki's uniform is the fact that their headbands have like, wait, it'll just focus, that their headbands have this little line. It'll just focus. Come on, work for me, work for me, please. Here we go. Like, as you can see, has that little line across it. That's what it shows, that they don't have any plans for going back to their village. So I'm gonna make Hidan's. It's very simple, just three lines and then a line cutting through it. So let me take you guys through the building process. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your tin foil and take not a big piece. I would say about half a foot long, or like 6 inches. And you're gonna want to cut that. And then what you're gonna want to do, after you have it, you're gonna want to fold it into equal pieces. And then after you have it into equal pieces like this, you're gonna want to take your pair of scissors and then just trim off the excess. Just like that. And then you're gonna want to take your permanent marker and then you're gonna want to draw on this. The way I've cut mine is like there's a little bit of overhang on this back side. So I'm not gonna be using that side, I'm gonna be using this flat side. And then when I get it like super flat, I just take a cup and then I just roll it to make it super flat. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take this, your permanent marker, and you're gonna draw the design of the like village you're gonna do. If you notice something about Hidan's, it's not like perfectly curved, perfectly slanted lines. It begins in like a little bit of that and then goes down and then just does that thing again. So that's what I'm gonna want to do. And then also don't forget these 3 dots. Oof. Also don't forget the 3 dots. So we're gonna do that one, and then I'll just show you a quick drawing, the quick drawing process. So since I'm gonna be using one hand to hold the camera, I'm lucky I took Hidan's design. So you're gonna want to start off with a little bit of that. And then go down and do that again. I'm gonna finish up with this, and then I'll meet you guys back later. So as you guys can see, I have my design for the headband over here on the tin foil. So after this, you're gonna want to measure your leggings. For me, it's this, and then cut it according to that measurement. this will make sure this wraps around your head, and then it'll be good. And now, this is the final part to making your Naruto headband. This is very important. So after you measure your leggings, you take your headband, you take the metal part of your headband, and then you take your stapler. You place it on top. You make sure there's some overhang, because that's how the headbands are in the Naruto world. Make sure there's overhang. And then what I like to do, okay, this is my stapling style, but you guys can have different stapling styles. I just like to go around the perimeter with a nice big layer of staples. So I'll just be doing the stapling, and then we'll move on to I'll show you the finished piece, and then we'll move on to the different ways the different characters rock their headbands. So yeah. And with that step, Hidan's Naruto headband is done. It wasn't really as perfect as I had planned, because as you can see, there's some ripping on the edges of the tinfoil. It's definitely something to look out for. And now, pretty sure the moment you've all been waiting for, seeing how different characters rock their Naruto headbands. I just want to say thank you guys. This is like my first ever DIY video, like do-it-yourself cosplay video. If you have any other like requests for me to do from pop culture, like I'll do it. I'm thinking for the next time I'm gonna do this, I think I'm gonna do Hidan's scythe, his like, giant 3-bladed scythe. That's probably gonna be hard, but I'll make it through. So if you guys enjoyed me making this Hidan Naruto headband, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with all your friends. Mr. Geek, out.
Branded useless ever since the day that I was born. I was clueless with ninjutsu, ain't no town to mourn. But to do this I would prove this through my muscle torn. It's my legacy.